What to do if you receive a 3-day notice from DEP. Number one, most importantly, you need to reach out to a licensed master plumber. And note, if you are in the New York City area, not all licensed master plumbers are equal. There are licensed master plumbers who specialize in water main and sewer repairs. You need to reach out to one that specializes in that type of work to adhere to your 3-day notice. Number two, make sure that licensed master plumber performs an in-home estimate. Without an in-home estimate, it could lead to estimating errors, which could result in additional cost out of pocket while your job has started. Or worst of all, maybe you just repaired a water main that wasn't leaking in the first place. Number three, you have to make sure you hire a licensed master plumber within the 3-day grace period to avoid DEP from shutting your water off. Number four, you need to make sure, and this is so important, that after you hire the licensed master plumber, that you have to confirm with them that they have contacted DEP so they know you are in adherence with that 3-day notice. And number five, just prepare yourself for what's about to come. Note, every job is different. Prepare that you're going to be without water for the majority of the day, or maybe even a little longer, basically a day. So that means make sure you have some bottled water, and maybe if you can, have some buckets of water so you can still use your services. So behind me is what a job site will look like. It's just an example. We're actually in Queens right now adhering to a 3-day notice. Again, every job is different, but just to give you an idea, this is a long water. We have Indica in a tap hole right here. We have the water shut off, and over there we have multiple holes so we could get the water main into the building. Again, please, I know you might not believe it, but we're not professional YouTubers, we're plumbers, and I hear if you could just like, comment, and subscribe, really help us out. Thanks, have a good day.